PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint comes with the package of MS Office. It is used to create presentation on various topics. Normally these presentations are used to discuss any topic, say whatever in the school or in office. So it is used for mainly discussion purpose, and it allows to add text, pictures, graphs, charts, tables, and even animations. You can also add here sounds and movies. Movies means you can add small videos to this presentation. So let's first close it and start the PowerPoint from beginning. So click on Start button, click on All Programs. Inside All Programs, click on Microsoft Office. From Microsoft Office, click on Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. So the window appears. So this is the MS PowerPoint window. At the top, it is the title bar. Here written Presentation 1. So this is the default name of your very first presentation, and this is the name of the application. It is the Office button. Click on it and you will get a menu to create new, to open existing, to save file, and this is the recent document list. You can exit PowerPoint from here. After Office button, there is a small area. This is called Quick Access Toolbar. Inside Quick Access Toolbar, there are three default buttons: Save, Undo, and Redo. Here, the Minimize, Maximize, and Close button. Now, like every MS Office software, there is this ribbon. Inside the ribbon, the tabs are different from other MS Office softwares. Here is Home, Insert, Design, Animations, Slideshow, Review, View, and Storyboarding. Now the new part of MS PowerPoint window is this box. It is called Slide. It is actually the working area of the user who wants to make presentation. You use slide, you just like use a page in MS Word. You will use slides in MS PowerPoint to add your text, to add your pictures, add your videos. This portion is called Slides tab. Here two tabs, one is Slides, another is Outline. The Slides tab displays the thumbnail view of all the entered slides. Now here it is one slide. You can view at the bottom says slide 1 of 1, means last one is the total number of slides present in the presentation, and the first one is the slide number of the current slide. So here is only one slide now, so it displays 1 of 1. That means now there is only one slide in the presentation. So whatever you apply on this slide, it will also appear in this thumbnail view. So right now there is nothing on the slide, so the thumbnail shows nothing. But if you add more slides in your presentation, all the thumbnails appear in this Slides tab. And in Outline tab, it displays the text you enter in your slide. Only the text, not any graphics. And it does not show the thumbnail of your slide, but only the content you add in your slide. So move back to Slides tab. At the bottom, there is written click to add notes. It is actually to add notes, anything about the slide. So normally who present the slideshow, he has something to say. So he can write this in this notes option. You can format whatever you want to write in the notes. Format means you can change the color, you can change the font, you can change the size. There is a zoom slider. Now present the zooming is 65%. You can increase it and you can decrease it using these buttons. And Here displays the theme name, that is office theme. So it is the default theme of your very first presentation. So here is a quick review of the PowerPoint window.